To hack the system, you must understand the rules. Your credit score is just a trust score. It answers, "Can I trust you with my money?" The FICO model builds this trust on 5 key pillars. First, the king. 35% is your payment history. Are you reliable? A single missed payment is a major breach of trust that stays on your report for 7 years. Second, 30% is amounts owed. This is the desperation metric and the key to the easy way. It's your utilization ratio, how much you're using versus your limit. Using 90% of your limit looks desperate. Using 5% looks responsible. This 30% proves you're not living on the edge. Third is 15% length of credit history. This is the "how long have we known you" test, based on the average age of your accounts. Lenders trust long-term relationships. It demonstrates stability. Fourth is 10% new credit. This is the panic button. When you apply for a loan or a card, it's a hard inquiry. A flurry of these is a massive red flag. It looks like you're in a financial panic. Finally, the last 10% is credit mix. This is the financial maturity test. A healthy mix, like a mortgage and a credit card, shows you can handle different types of responsibility. So that's the system: 35, 30, 15, 10, and 10. That's the why. But you're not here for the why. You're here for the how. You're here for the hack. Because while fixing your payment history takes years and building your length of history takes time, there is one huge metric that you can control and change, not in years, but in days. And that is exactly where we're starting. All right, here's the how. An 800+ score isn't about being rich, it's about optimizing the rules. The 10% utilization rule. Common advice is keep utilization below 30%. That's for a good score. For an exceptional 800+ score, the goal is below 10%. Experian data shows 800+ scores average 7% utilization. The hack? Your score only sees what's reported on your statement closing date. This is not your due date. Pay your balance down to almost zero before that statement date. You can spend $2,000, but if you pay it to $100 before it reports, your utilization is tiny. Your score climbs. The piggybacking cheat code. Become an authorized user. If a trusted person with a long, perfect credit history adds you to their card, their history gets cloned onto your report. This instantly boosts your credit age and slashes your utilization. The credit limit increase. The score is a ratio. A $1,000 balance on a $2,000 limit is 50% utilization. Bad. Call your card issuer and ask for a limit increase to $5,000. If approved, your same $1,000 balance is now 20%. Much better. Your score increases, and you paid nothing. The modern boost. Traditionally, utility or Netflix bills didn't help your score. Services like Experian Boost let you link these accounts. You get an immediate score increase for bills you already pay. But knowing the hacks is only half the battle. You could be making silent killer mistakes, common sense things that look smart but are actually sabotaging your score. And the first one is the most counterintuitive of all. Myth: you must carry a balance and pay interest. Fact: 100% false. This is the most expensive myth in finance. Pay your bill in full every month. Lenders want to see you use credit for convenience, not as a crutch. Paying interest gets you 0 bonus points. Myth: checking your own credit score hurts it. Fact: false. When you check your score, a soft inquiry, it has 0 impact. Only a hard inquiry, when a lender pulls your report because you formally applied for new credit, dings your score. Myth: closing an old credit card helps my score. Fact: no. This will almost certainly hurt your score. It does 2 bad things. It increases your utilization ratio, And it can shorten your average credit history. Keep your old no-fee cards open. Just buy a coffee with them every 6 months. Little known fact, you don't have one credit score. You have dozens. The FICO 8 score you see on your bank app is not the FICO Auto score your car dealer pulls or the FICO 2 your mortgage lender uses. Little known fact, the AZEO technique. All 0 except 1. This is an advanced hack. If you're applying for a mortgage, pay all your cards to 0 except 1. On that 1, let a tiny $10 balance report. This shows the models you're active but have near perfect utilization. So now you know the rules, the hacks, and the myths. You have the complete playbook for an 800+ score. But what does that actually get you? It's not just about a number, it's about what that number unlocks. And it's a lot more than you think.